So people come to the window and they tell us stories, anything from something mundane to things that are much more memorable. So people often have things that they've lost that they remember for years and years. Artists have a range of materials, so they're doing things, everything from sewing, there's sewing machines set up in their fabrics. Oh, wow. There's all sorts of, there's many materials there, and basically the artists can take, what they do is they read the application that comes in, and the more detail people give us, the more exacting our object that we find for them is. Basically everything gets packaged, but first it gets documented. We've got a photographer who's working in the back and a blogger, and so we've got them going up on our website, which is lostfoundfactory.org. You can see them accumulating online as we make them. We'll have a closing reception. That closing reception will be when people will be able to come with their ticket and find on the wall their object.
These are me and my friends. Last time all 5 of us hung out together was it was June 4th, 2015. And so I wish we could all be together again. We also have a band together, so some of us have guitars.
I'm looking for a paintbrush.
What number is it?
265.
265. Yeah, 265 is going to be over here.
Okay.
Oh, well, I said that I lost my sense of childlike wonder. One day you just kind of get old.
Yeah.
Don't really realize it. I mean, maybe I'm not as old as I could be, but older. Thought it would be fun to see what they come up with.
Just
it's a dress.
amazing. It's wonderful.
I'll get my purse out of here. But this is incredible.
You lost it? You lost it?
I lost a dress. It was an Ann Taylor dress. Was my favorite.
Oh, great.
So I gotta find out who made it.
Oh.
But I know
it is actually a bracelet that I lost that I got for Mother's Day from my 2 boys.
And out of everything you've lost, that was what you wanted back?
Yes, because it came from them.
Yeah.
It's my paintbrush. I love it.
Kind of the purpose is to give people an opportunity to have conversations about things that they've lost, and then not just listen to those from the booth, but also to kind of act on those and to give people a chance to respond to those things that were lost and to look for a way to find them, retrieve them, and give them back.
Yeah, some of them are super straightforward and then some are completely conceptual, and that's really cool.